Okay.
Wonderful. All right, so the recording is going on, that's right. All right, good. There's a little bit of, I need to increase the size of my screen here.
Ele está trabalhando no computador para aumentar o tamanho lá da tela.
Mhm, mhm. And, okay, wonderful. So it's our tradition that we begin our satsang with the Tri Mantra.
É uma
So,
tradição que nós iniciamos a nossa satsang com
yeah.
o Trimantra.
So the essence of the Tri Mantra, the very recitation of the Tri Mantra removes all obstacles, you see, in the
Quando a gente
spiritual, yeah, in the spiritual
Uhum.
path, you see.
Quando recitamos esse Trimantra, ele remove todos os obstáculos no caminho espiritual.
Mhm. So wonderful. So let's see who would be singing the Tri Mantra or reciting.
Quem gostaria de recitar ou cantar o Trimantra?
Mhm.
Posso cantar.
É Berna.
Verna, yes.
Obrigado, Berna.
Thank
Jai
you.
Satirana.
Satchidananda.
Namo Vitragai, Namo Arihantaram, Namo Siddharam, Namo Ayariyaram, Namo Vatsayaram, Namo Loye Savasahuram, He Sopancha Namukaro, Savapava Panashano, Mangalaram Savesim, Padama Havai Mangala. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevai. Om Namah Shivai. Jai Satchitanand. Namo Vitragai. Namo Arihantaram. Namo Sitaram. Namo Ayariyaram. Namo Vatsayaram. Namo Loye Savasahuram. He Sopancha Namukaro, Savapava Panashano, Mangalaram Cha Savesim, Padama Havai Mangala. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevai. Om Namah Shivai. Jai Satchitanand. Namo Vitragai. Namo Arihantaram. Namo Sitaram. Namo Ayariyaram. Namo Vatsayaram. Namo Loye Savasahuram. He Sopancha Namukaro, Savapava Panashano, Mangalaram cha savesim padama havai mangala. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevai. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Satchitanand. Jai Satchitanand. Jai Satchitanand. Jai Satchidana.
Yes, wonderful. Thank you, Berna.
Muito bom, obrigado, Berna.
Yes. The science of liberation of Akram Vignan is for the one whose time has arrived in lifetime after lifetime after lifetime of growth and understanding, essentially at the spiritual level, at the inner level. By spiritual, I mean at the heart level, at the level which is beyond the intellect.
Então, a ciência da libertação, a Kanvignan, é para a pessoa que teve essa graça de receber muitas vidas, a procura, e essa ciência não é a nível de consciência, é um nível do coração da pessoa, nível espiritual, nível do coração.
Yes, you say this, whether or not a person understands the reality of previous lives and the current life, it can simply be understood simply by asking the human being whether is this your life, and the answer to that would be, it is my life, this is my life. And then the question immediately arises, who is saying this thing? When you say mine, who is saying that this is my life, you see? And,
Então, com relação, o Shuddha mencionou se a pessoa tem a crença ou não de vida passada, ou a pessoa está na vida presente, mas tem dúvidas sobre que houve uma vida passada. Então, ele faz a questão, é esta a sua vida? Aí a pessoa vai dizer, sim, essa é a minha vida em geral, resposta que a pessoa dá. Mas, na realidade, a próxima pergunta, quem é que está dizendo que esta é a minha vida?
Yeah. And the person will naturally say, yes, this is my life, and because I have experienced and I have gone through all of these bodies, all of this body, I have experienced all of this through my body, through my mind. You see?
E a pessoa, outra vez, confirma que, se a pergunta diz que na resposta, esta é a minha vida, porque eu tenho as experiências que estão acontecendo com o meu corpo. Essa é a experiência que eu tenho, por isso que eu digo que esta é a minha vida.
Yes, so then the question arises, does the body that you know to be either Eliane or Sonia or Delvani, does this body know everything it has gone through since birth? Is it this body that knows, you see?
Então, a pergunta que é endereçada a Eliane, a Sônia, a Dalvani, você sabe Shuda, can you repeat one more
Is this the
time?
body that is knowing all of this?
É este o corpo que está sabendo tudo, todos esses acontecimentos, desde o nascimento até agora?
Yes. Then you'll say, no, it's not the body. Then what is it? The mind, yes? Okay, so the mind. Is it the mind that knows everything that has happened in this life? And we'll say, yes, my mind. Then the question is, how much of it have you forgotten? Haven't you forgotten a lot? If it was the mind that knows, then the mind cannot forget. The knowing part is very different from memory. You see, the knowing part is at a much deeper level. You see, you may forget.
I need to translate, Shuda.
Mhm.
Then, a pergunta ficou é o corpo que sabe tudo isso? Não, a pessoa diz, não é a mente que sabe tudo isso. E aí o Shuda disse, aí você se lembra o que aconteceu no passado, bem passado, e o que você tem esquecido desde o início da sua vida, basicamente?
Mhm. The mind really cannot really know everything, and yet, this self, there is another thing. It's the one who believes I know. You see, has such a person, his knowledge is very limited. I know this and I know this. I don't know this. You see, so the one who says, I know this and I do not know this, is functioning at the mind level. I know this, I do not know this, I have forgotten this. You see, so all that knowing and forgetting, you see, is happening at the mind level, you see.
Então, a mente não sabe tudo. O ser, aquele que diz, eu sei este conhecimento, e eu esqueci isto, eu esqueci aquilo. Basicamente, essa mente, in other words, the mind is, the mind forgets, the
mind remembers, mind forgets.
A mente se lembra, a mente se esquece.
Yeah.
It's an illusion to think that the mind knows everything, correct?
Yeah, it is an illusion to think. It's an illusion to say that the mind knows everything.
É uma ilusão dizer que a mente sabe tudo. É uma ilusão.
Yes, so the memory part is mind related, is it not? Mind and mind related, and it is related to mind related, but there is much more than memory in our life, isn't it? As far as our presence is concerned, if our being is concerned, memory is one thing, is it not? There is much more to you and I than just the memory.
E o Shuddha resume dizendo que há muita coisa além do que somente a memória relativa da mente. Há muito mais coisa.
Yes, so
do que a memória.
Yeah, and the memory is directly related to the intensity of the suffering of pleasure or pain. If you have suffered a lot of pleasure, you have experienced a lot of pleasure in childhood, all that memory will be, be there. Or if you have suffered a lot of pain, that memory is there too, you see. So both are suffering, you see.
Então, a memória parece que é um conteúdo de sofrimentos. De acordo com o que o Shuddha disse, a memória é relativa ao sofrimento, à dor e ao prazer.
Yes, it is the intensity, the deep, and we call it attachment. I am attached to my childhood. I love my childhood. All the people that I was involved with, my parents, I love them, etc. So this is this attachment, and that is the process of the mind level, you see.
Então, ele diz, em sumário, diz, o processo do nível da mente é relativo ao apego, né? Apego da minha infância, dos meus
Mhm.
amigos de infância, da lembrança que eu tenho do que aconteceu comigo na infância.
Yeah, this, and you see this intensity of attachment to either the pleasures of life that we've had so far or the pains that we have gone through. This is what this lead to what we call uh, the build up. You see, it builds up kashais, anger, pride, uh, deceit, and greed. You see? Hmm?
Então, alright. Então, Shura diz que a intensidade do apego, dos prazeres, dos sofrimentos que passamos, e passamos prazeres, alegria, sofrimento que passamos, e ah, ah, essa acumulação, basicamente, what was the last phrase you mentioned,
And
Shura?
yes, this memory, rag dvesh, memory is due
Oh,
to
yes.
attachment.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Attachment.
Oh, yeah. I remember now. This brings the kashais.
Yeah, this
Yes,
this
and yeah,
the
that's the part. That's the part that I was
it
missing.
creates, yeah. It's so,
Yes,
so there's
yes.
this subtle stuff that's going on. Kashais
Uhum.
create more opinions and
Então,
intensity of feelings,
uhum.
and so these things is all happening to the mind. Mhm. All of this.
Tudo isso acontece com a mente. Eu vou repetir a frase que eu iniciei, foi que a intensidade, quando a gente tem um apego muito intenso a qualquer coisa, nós passamos, o apego conduz ao sofrimento e também conduz aos prazeres. Então, a gente fica entre prazer, entre sofrimento, e isso tudo se acumula. E esse prazer, esse sofrimento, ele dão ação aos cachais, né? Aos cachais que são quatro: a raiva, o orgulho, manipulação e ganância. E uma
Mm.
vez que você põe a mão nesses cachais, você começa a dar opiniões.
Yes. Yeah, opinions. I like this, I hate this.
Eu
Okay.
gosto disso, eu não gosto disso.
Yeah. Well, you see, and when this is all of this so far, what we have described is as what our Tony says, it's an illusion. You see, it is an illusion because it is, it is, it is generated, it is happening to this body and to this mind that is there, and we say, I am suffering. I have suffered a lot of, I have enjoyed a lot of pleasure in my life, and now I'm suffering a lot of pain, you see. Hmm?
Então, tudo isso que a gente falou em resumo e que acontece com a ilusão, que isso que está acontecendo com o nosso corpo, com a nossa mente, com
Mm.
nossos sofrimentos, é tudo que dá, isso tudo está acumulado nessa mente, nessa consciência.
So the question really arises now is who is this one
É.
who is complaining? Okay, who is
Então,
complaining? I.
a questão que surge depois disso tudo é quem é este que está fazendo essa reclamação do sofrimento, dos prazeres? Quem é essa pessoa?
I say, who is this one who is complaining or enjoying? You say, who is this one?
Quem é essa pessoa que está reclamando ou que está tendo prazer?
Yeah, the body, the mind, as just a vehicle. It is something that it is a medium through which uh, all of these things get accumulated in the mind, and the mind suffers, you see. The mind is the one. It's happening at the mind level, but who is saying that I am suffering, you see? Hmm?
Esse sofrimento, esse prazer acontece na mente, mas quem é esta entidade que está dizendo eu estou sofrendo,
Oh,
eu estou
oh,
tendo prazer? Essa é a questão.
is the answer
O que
to
traz o que está por trás disso?
As you find, the answer to that cannot be answered when you ask your friends, who is suffering inside you? A friend comes to you and says, "Oh, I
Yeah,
have had such a bad time," or
yeah,
"I'm never going to go to that vacation again,"
yeah.
or I've this man I thought was a good man, but he turned out to be a monster, right? All right,
Aham.
who, and so who is this one who is
Então,
Who is complaining, usually complaining when he is not happy, you see?
Então, você, quando pergunta aos amigos seus, quem é esta pessoa que está por trás daquele que ou está tendo prazer, ou está reclamando daquilo que não pode ter, ou de uma dor, ou de um sofrimento? Quem é esta pessoa que está por trás desse prazer ou do sofrimento?
Yeah, you see, and this is the magnificent part. The answer to that is who is suffering. Yeah, is the answer to that is to find out who is this I.
E
Uh,
a resposta é você encontrar esse eu. Quem é esse eu que está tendo prazer
you
ou
see,
sofrimento?
and it is impossible for human beings of this earth of ours to find out who is this I. To find means to know. You see.
Então, é impossível para os seres humanos do mundo ter essa resposta. E
Yeah.
você encontrar esse eu é você saber.
Yes, it's to know, to experience. You see, to experience. You see, you cannot know. You see, you and I know everything that I have gone through. As you know, as Shuddha, you have gone through as Shirley or as Eliane. You know everything that has happened to. You think you know everything, but there's much more than knowing Shirley or Eliane, you see. Yes, there's much more, you see.
Então, ele diz com tudo isso, ele faz o comentário que há mais a saber do que está acontecendo do que com Shirley, com Eliane,
Yeah.
com Tony.
Yeah. So to this, until you know who am I in all of these things, until you experience who am I in all of these things, you cannot really understand the nature of suffering in this world. You cannot understand the suffering of either the pleasure or the pain. You cannot understand this one who is complaining. You cannot know who is complaining, you see.
Então, se você não sabe quem é o I, né? O I am, o eu, você não tem ideia da onde esta dor está vindo, este sofrimento está vindo, ou este prazer. Você tem que entender, na realidade, esse eu interior.
Yeah, so and to know this thing, to know the complainer, the one who complains, the one who rejects, the one who is not happy with his life, you see, the one who is not happy with his meal, the one who is not happy with his partner or his children. This complainer can only be known once you come to know the I, you see.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Ele diz, este indivíduo, este ser humano que reclama de sofrimento, simplesmente só pode ser conhecido, só pode saber quando ele conhece esse eu interior. Quem sou eu?
Yes, and you see,
Quem é você? Esse eu interior. Aí você vai saber da onde é a fonte do sofrimento, das dores e dos prazeres também.
yes, you see, right? You know what I mean is what it essentially is knowing the I, knowing the one who says I am suffering, knowing the one who says I've had a good life, but now my life is not so good, blah blah blah, etc., etc., etc. Knowing the one who is complaining or enjoying is now possible because that I is 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 the ego. You see, you are not the ego. You see, you are much more than the ego. But you believe that when you say, I am Eliane, I am Dalvani, or I am Carla, you automatically you have jumped into that which is not yours. That's not you, you see.
Então, o Shura diz que, sabendo aquele que sofre, mais uma vez, que reclama, né, é possível saber. Ele diz que este eu que complain, que reclama, que tem prazer, que sofre, é o ego.
Yeah, is it and when you can see the ego, and this ego, the ego has been beautifully defined by Dada Shri, you see.
Dada define o que é ego de uma maneira exuberante.
Uh-huh. As, you know, home. You see, the ego means I, the one who says, I am Eliane. By God, I'm Eliane. You see?
O ego
I swear I'm
significa
Eliane. You see?
o ego significa dizer eu sou Eliane, eu juro, tenho certeza absoluta que eu sou Eliane.
And so that awareness, that awareness is not wrong. We don't say that awareness is wrong, but Gnani Purush Dada Shri has says that awareness is correct for the world, because the world will not understand what has happened to you. You see?
O Shuddha diz que essa consciência que você, do ego, eu sou Eliane, eu tenho certeza, não está errada, mas esta é a consciência do mundo terreno lá fora.
Yeah. You see, that awareness is not wrong, and you do not need to close it or shut it off.
Você não precisa apagá-la, não é errado. Porém,
you see, the existence, it's very simple. Look, if you're at the railway station, you see, so now you are at a location where you are at the railway station, and so you'll see trains and passengers, you see. Because you're at the railway station, you'll see trains and passengers. If you're at a beach side, then you will see people who are relaxing or are going into the sea, you see. So your vision changes depending on where you are.
Então o Shuddha diz que, em essência, a sua visão muda dependendo da onde você está, do local onde você está. Se você está numa estação de trem, você vê passageiros sentados no banco esperando o trem. Se você está numa praia, você vê pessoas relaxando, outros entrando no oceano, banhando-se, etc. Sua visão muda de acordo com o local.
In fact, this vision is continuously changing, is it not? If you're passing by near a restaurant with all the beautifully cooked food is displayed, you will be in the world of food and appetite, you see. And if you're passing by a library, and if you like to visit libraries, then you will be involved in studying whatever you like to study, so you will enter the library, you see. So everything changes with your location, does it not?
Então, mais uma vez, ele dá o exemplo, essa visão muda constantemente. Se você está no restaurante, a sua visão está guiada dependendo de onde você senta, comer, o que vai comer, etc. Se você está numa biblioteca, você está em outro ambiente, né? Mais calmo, com livros, etc. Então, ele está fazendo uma observação que nossa visão está constantemente mudando.
So then there is this physical location, and then you see there is inner locations, mental locations in the mind. Even though you are with a human being having a nice meal, your mind will go away into something else, seeing something else, the face of a loved one, or the face of the doctor, or other people. So your mind has shifted, so your location has shifted. Physically you're sitting and eating a meal, but your mind, which has shifted away, has gone in another location, has it not?
Então, há local físico, certo? E você pode estar sentado num restaurante e, nesse mesmo tempo que você está sentado, a sua mente vai mudar, sua mente vai viajar. Você pode pensar em uma coisa, pode ter esse pensamento, aquele pensamento, etc. Quer dizer, há esse local físico e há essa visão e há essa mente em operação também.
Yes, you see, and then the other one is, then the third location, you see, is an internal one, which is the location that is the speech effects. You see, when somebody says "stupido, get out," somebody may have said it, a month ago, but that thing, those vibrations continue to pull you in that direction. So you are in the location of that man, his face telling you with a lot of anger to get out. You see, so now we are in the location of speech, right?
Location
Of speech effects.
speech, efeito
Yeah.
da fala, que é outro local. Por exemplo, você está em qualquer local e alguém vem em sua direção e fala, ou você, estúpido, não faça isso, por exemplo.
So, yeah, now the beauty about it is, and you will now realize, most of us have realized, that the Amapura, Dada calls it Amapura, okay, the pure I.
E o
That,
Shura está fazendo observação sobre o eu que é puro, né?
yeah. Yeah, there is such that it is beyond all locations, because the I has moved away from the entire complex called Shirley or Savani or Eliane has come home to the self. This I is beyond all locations, is everywhere, you see.
Então, esse I que o Shuddha refere o eu do ser, que é alma pura, está além de qualquer local.
So that I has been attained now for all of us, and for especially even for Eliane recently in Sao Paulo.
She's not a Mahatma Shuddha.
Oh, okay, all right. All right, so this is good. So we'll
Não,
continue.
o Shura pensou que Eliane tinha recebido o Charanvedi. Não recebeu ainda. Não.
Yeah.
But,
Right. You see, so yes, that's okay. So we are just fundamentally going into this. Let me just ask her here. Eliane, are you following everything that is going on here, my dear? Where are you?
Shura pergunta a você se você está seguindo o que ele está dizendo, mais ou menos.
So far, do you understand? Are you with
Sim,
us?
até agora você está junto, está entendendo?
Are your microphone is closed?
Abra o microfone.
Fechou. Oi.
Ele perguntou a você se você está seguindo o que ele está dizendo.
Estou conseguindo sim, Antônio. Estou conseguindo entender, até porque eu tenho uma percepção de terapia, né? E eu estou conseguindo seguir, sim.
Ela está, she's able to follow Shuddha because she's a therapist, and I think she's saying that she's following what you're saying. But
yes.
I think it detail about Amapura because she hasn't received the Gnavidi yet.
All right, good. So right now your conviction and your base in life, your foundation in life is based on the conviction, an indelible conviction. In other words, it cannot be wiped away. And the fact that you are, I am Eliane Zerker. You see, that is it, you see. Whereas if you ask any one of us over here, any one of the rest of us in here, they will say, yes, I am Carla, or I am Tony, or I am Saveni, but inside, their awareness has shifted, that the awareness is associated with this understanding and vision that it is Shuddha or Tony or Carla or Saveni saying, I am Saveni, you see. So you can, it's when I say I am Shuddha, then I am aware completely that this Shuddha is speaking, Shuddha is interacting with all of you. Internally, I have shifted, like Tony and all of us, Shirley, into the state of the self, the I without the my, you see.
Yeah.
You can say, I am trained as a therapist. I have experience. My experiences are in therapy of this particular type or this particular type, you see. I have healed a lot of people, you see. I'm helping others, you see. So it is it is all associated with I am this body and this is my accomplishment. This is my world. This is how I see the world, you see. And the self-realization is the realization of the I, understanding that this
Yeah.
one, your total understanding of the one who says, I am this, you see.
Yeah. Eliane, ele fez um comentário que a maioria, creio que todos esses 26 pessoas daqui, 25 já receberam, já passaram pela cerimônia do Gnana Vidi, aonde você tem a noção do que é a alma pura. Então, até você receber essa cerimônia, essa crença que eu sou Eliane, é uma crença sólida. Para os Mahatmas que estão aqui, eles receberam essa cerimônia do Gnana Vidi, que dura 50 minutos e é simplesmente uma cerimônia, não há nenhum tipo especial de simplesmente o Gnani lê algumas palavras. E isso faz com que o ego é fraturado. Então, os Mahatmas aqui, o Shuddha em essência, ele perguntou, Berna, quem é você? Eu sou Berna. Você fala, mas na realidade o eu está separado do meu. Quando você fala eu e meu, é diferente. Esse eu é o eu relativo, e o outro eu, que é o eu real, que é o eu da alma pura, que todos os Mahatmas receberam essa graça de quem eles realmente são. Deu para entender?
Entendi sim, Antônio.
Okay. She
Okay.
understood.
Yes, is this now. This is what you're understanding right now. This understanding is at the theoretical level.
É o nível de teoria que você entendeu.
And this the experience of this happens because there is going to happen and happens because you are in a group of so many ones who have enlightened here, who are enlightened human beings sitting here, and it is not the light. It is not the outer light that people imagine or visualize. This is the light of the self that lets you see it as it is. See it as it is. That lets you see Eliane. You can see the Eliane's mind. You can see that Eliane's mind is thinking. You can see that Eliane's intellect is working. You can see the different body parts that are acting, reacting, and the inner reactions to the entire mind, body, and speech complex. You see, that is what people identify as Eliane Zerker, you see, because there are multiple Elianes here, you see. And then, if I say, listen, Eliane, I think you don't understand. Now, or you need to spend more time, then you will, there's an Eliane Campello here also. So she will say, what do you mean? She will understand, but you will say, what does Shuddha think? Or if I say something that, it'll take a long time before you understand, even though you are already understanding. If I do not stay in the same level of what you are and responding, then some other people will, because there are two Elianas, they'll say, he's saying this to me. So I have to be very specific. I'll say, Eliane Zerker of Munich, or are you now in Munich, or are you in Sao Paulo?
Rio de Janeiro.
Oh, Rio de Janeiro. All right. Yeah. Are you going to go back to Munich, or you move to Rio de Janeiro?
I will go back to Munich.
All right, wonderful. You will have access to a lot of German Mahatmas, you say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right. So that's good. Do you speak German?
Yeah, very well.
Oh, fantastic. Wonderful.
She's
Yeah.
a therapist in Munich. So
Oh, right. Yeah. For how many years have you been a therapist in Munich?
Over 20 years.
Wow, you don't look that. Yeah, so you take good care of yourself. That's good. That's very good. That's very good. Yes. You see,
but should I need to translate a bit what you
or
said, just
yes,
to make
okay.
a resume. Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
Eliane, basicamente, ele falou que você, quando você não recebeu ainda essa graça do Gnavidi, você vai
Uhum.
conhecer a alma pura. Então, quando você recebe essa graça, ele falou, há outra Eliane nesse grupo. Então, se ele fala Eliane em geral, a pessoa que recebeu essa ciência, ele separa imediatamente, ele sabe que ele está se dirigindo à pessoa. Então, eu acho que a coisa importante é que você deu para você entender o que ele transmitiu, não?
Deu sim, né?
Ok.
Claro, né, Antônio?
Yeah.
É a parte assim, intelectual de eu entender,
O seu,
mas a questão é de eu perceber e
yes,
saber o que é.
yes,
É
yes.
numa outra consciência.
Yeah, she said that's in another consciousness, and she said the intellect perceives and feels, but I think she absorbed your message, what you said,
Yes, yes, yeah.
the message, okay?
Yes, right. You understand. But when you talk about another consciousness, it really is a shift in the awareness. There is
Quando você fala de outra consciência, você está mudando a consciência, mudando de plano, para
like yeah.
uma consciência de outro nível.
Yeah, like for instance, Eliane has to be very attentive or has to be alert and receptive to the patient who is responding to her therapy, you see. Now that requires, that is the awareness part, you see, that is the awareness part. And then there is this other awareness, my dear, that is absolutely beyond Eliane's mind, Eliane's intellect, Eliane's ego, beyond all everything that Eliane thinks about herself, you see, and how she sees it. And that is the beauty of the eternal I. This other thing is related to, if Eliana is tired, whether the patient, there's too much patient load, etc., etc. So there are so many factors that affect the external awareness, whereas the internal awareness, which is the Eoso Amapura, Soy Amapura, that once it is attained is forever. It never leaves, you see. It is always, it is an eternal, one-way, permanent shift of awareness. It shouldn't be called as shift of awareness, which it is the same awareness, but now it is the awareness that is like the light of the sun as compared to the candle light in the room, you understand? It's the light of the sun.
Então, ele está fazendo o que o Shuddha acabou de dizer, é que você, quando você recebe essa cerimônia do Gnana Vidi, você vai tocar, vai saber, vai sentir quem é o seu eu eterno, o que você não recebeu até agora. Você tem uma ideia através do seu intelecto, através da sua mente, através do seu ego, mas essa percepção somente é possível quando você senta para essa cerimônia, que o fato de você estar aqui em satsang com tantos Mahatmas, você já plantou alguma semente atrás de descobrir quem você é realmente. Deu para entender?
Deu para entender. Entendi sim, Antônio.
Ok. Jay Satchidana.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. You see, like many, many therapists and physicians in this group of Akram Vignan in South America, many, they have all experienced that their ability to really care for their clients and patients has improved by an undefined, unbelievable order, of magnitude, because they are essentially removed from the sense that I am doing this. You see, they have entered into the state of the non-doer. You see, Liana is the doer, you are the knower of everything that is going on. You see, Shuddha is the doer, Shuddha and doer currently in satsang, you see. And Tony is the doer currently in satsang. Shirley is the doer currently translating the text, you see. But we all are absolutely aware of what is happening, and we are established in the state of the non-doer, you see, non-doer. This is a very critical part of the self-realization of Akram Vignan, you see.
Então, o Shuddha tocou essa parte importante que é chamada self-realization em inglês, autorrealização em português, e basicamente o que autorrealização é, ele falou, comentou essa palavra, o fazedor, que em essência nós nascemos com essa ideia que nós somos os fazedores e somos um fazedor de nascimento e morte, vários nascimentos, reencarnações, fazedores. Nessa cerimônia do Gnavidi, isso é quebrado, seu ego é quebrado e você passa a ser o não fazedor e passa a ser aquele que conhece e vê a Eliane. A Eliane que faz tudo, da manhã à noite, se preocupa, é o fazedor. Entende? Você sai dessa cobertura, desse véu. Basicamente, é a cerimônia do Gnavidi.
Yes, see, it is not enough to know only the I, you see.
Não é suficiente saber somente o eu.
To know means to experience, you see.
Saber significa experienciar.
Exato.
To know is to experience, and to see means to understand, you see. So the Amapura has no words, you see. It cannot say anything. You see. The Amapura exists as a silent one within each one of us, and has been with us not only in this life, but with us for countless, infinite previous lives. And this is the life in which the circumstances and the evidences came by. You have your relative Tony, and you have you have so many other evidences that came into. And why at this time, after all these years in Germany? Why not earlier? But the timings are just also part of everything coming together, you see. And the timing is just right now that you are in the presence of a number of awakened, self-realized Mahatmas, or otherwise known as Gnani. The Gnani simply means the one who has known the self, one who has experienced the self, you see. And so we are all Gnanis, but we have just begun to know the self and experience, and we are on the path that has been prescribed by the exact path of a direct entry into this, the self and the experience of the self as prescribed, as given by Gnani Purush Dadashri, the original Gnani of Akram Vignan, you see.
Então, basicamente, ele falou a importância daquele que conhece e vê. E você tem essa experiência através da cerimônia do Gnavidi, que eu conheço e vê é uma coisa totalmente nova a pessoa que recebeu a cerimônia do Gnavidi. E essa experiência, o que conhece, e você aplica tudo isso na sua vida depois da cerimônia. Você passa a... É um conhecimento, alguma coisa nova, totalmente nova para a pessoa que está na ciência do Akram Vignan.
Entendi.
E a essência, ele falou sobre o Gnani, né? O Gnani, que é essa pessoa autorrealizada, que o nosso Gnani que faz essa cerimônia do Gnana Vijay. E
Uhum.
I think você entendeu mais ou menos o que ele quis dizer, não?
Entendi. É como se a gente passasse num portal que não dá para se explicar com palavras, né,
Não,
Antônio?
yeah, exatamente. She's in
Isso.
essence, she says that we go through a portal that's impossible to explain with words.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah,
You see, it's impossible. It's in very simple terms. It's impossible for the average human being of these current times, current, in the absence of a completely enlightened human being on this earth of ours, to
yeah,
really kind of move in any
yeah.
meaningful directions.
Yeah, I will translate that shit,
Mhm,
otherwise I'll
mhm,
miss.
mhm.
Nós necessitamos de uma pessoa iluminada que nos faça,
Uhum.
que nos dá essa cerimônia para você e o que você passou, a palavra que você usou, portal. Você
Sim,
precisa de um Gnani, de você, enquanto você está na ciência, e isso ocorrerá se você continuar no caminho.
entendi.
You say, like, no matter how good your life may be, you and I know, all of us know that it is not forever, you see. Nothing stays. And, most experiences really of what we call good experiences end up going away or leaving us with a sense of pain. And you see, suffering, you see. So this science is this in this current era of the time cycle in 2026, time has risen where it doesn't have to be so. Human beings really do not even know that they are suffering. As soon as there's some kind of suffering comes in, they just go and jump into another kind of cool place where they can do what you think. They can just move in the direction of pleasure. You see, I will be happy if I'm with this person. I will be happy if I have this food. I'll be happy, it's just moving away, never stopping to even ask, hey, what's going on? Why is this happening to me? And I'm a nice person. Why is this happening to me? They have no answers, you see.
Então, em essência, ele está falando que ele começou a dizer que neste mundo nada é permanente, tudo é, na realidade, temporário. E nesta era que vivemos, os seres humanos não sabem, não têm ideia que eles estão em sofrimento. Porque quando eles estão em sofrimento, eles pulam para o prazer, vão atrás da solução através de prazer e não tem tempo de parar para ter a realização o que está causando esse sofrimento. Não há essa questão, porque é um rodemoinho, né? Eles vão, sofrimento vai o prazer, sofrimento vai ao prazer. Essa é a observação que ele fez.
And the Gnani Purush, you see, the one who has the total knowledge of the self, not, and also of the doer, has a total knowledge of not only who am I, but what is all this me and my business that is in front of me, and how did it come about, you see. Everywhere you open your eyes and you wake up in the morning, everywhere around you is the world of mine, mine. I hate him, I love her, etc. is just going on. Me, mine, you see, endless. Me, mine syndrome that human beings really just kind of shifting and moving around. The other calls it equivalent to like this sweet potatoes being baked on open fire. You see, you turn them around, maybe a little bit less pain, again it's more fire. So human beings of this current world of ours are really suffering, not visibly suffering, internally suffering, even much more than the visible suffering, you see. And
E a Shida comentou sobre o fato, né, de ser o Gnani Purusha, né, que tem um conhecimento do ser, certo? E a diferença e o que acontece no mundo terreno hoje, aqui neste mundo nosso, né, que vivemos, como o que ele descreveu com esse sofrimento, e ele fez analogia, certo, que como você como você põe as batatas doces em cima de uma brasa que ficam ali cozinhando, né, na frente da brasa com aquela, sabe, mais ou menos é onde ele colocou os seres humanos desse universo, né? E queimando, sentindo a queimadura, mas em realidade não vão procurar o que está causando essa queimadura, né? Essa dor interna.
Yeah, so the Gnani Purush is defined as the one who is established in the experience of the glorious I, without any my, without any my. So my is the attachment without any my or myness, you see. Even a subtle sense of myness, absolutely disconnected from the mind, speech, and body. And such a one is very, very rare indeed. And this phenomena happened to our Gnani Ambalal Murjibhai Patel, or who became a Gnani in Gnani Purush in 1958, you see, a complete disconnection from the body, mind, and words, and inside began the fantastic presence of total light, a light of knowledge that has become highly beneficial for all that has happened since 1958 for human beings who met him. And right now also you are meeting him, Eliana, because you're listening to his words with so much care and love from heart. Your heart is open to this, you see.
Então, o Shura diz que o Gnani Purush, Gnani Purush é um ser, Ambalal Patel se tornou um Gnani Purush, sua pureza, o eu sem o meu, desconectado da mente, da fala e corpo, totalmente desconectado da mente, fala e corpo. E a presença desse estado do Gnani Purush, a presença da luz dele, que tem sido totalmente um benefício para a humanidade desde que ele recebeu essa graça e desenvolveu a Kran Vignan em 1958. E o Shuddha comentou que ele disse nas palavras dele que você achou essa conexão e que você está conectada com essa ciência através de seu coração.
He experienced in that 1 hour in June of 1958, in the evening, sitting, on that railway platform bench, you see, this magnificent vision, the entire vision of this universe, not only the universe of current human existence on this earth, but also the universe where there are souls in so many other levels of existence, planes of existence, you see, celestial realm, you see, human realm, animal realm, you see, and also the infernal area where there is, which is described as hell. So he experienced this, and he experienced this in its totality, the entire darshan, the entire vision, and the knowledge arose, within him, within his body, within his body. And from that hour onwards, he became a Gnani Purush, you see. That is a phenomenon of all phenomena. And when he opened his eyes, everything, he saw it, he continued to see everything as it is, but he could not keep that complete vision within. He slipped by 4 degrees from the total 360-degree vision. And that because he opened up his eyes and he saw every human being, every living being, absolutely in two ways. He saw their bodies, just like you and I see different bodies here in this satsang, you see, and he simultaneously saw the glorious one, the Amapura, the I, the absolute I, separate. You see, he saw them separate. Even though they were not, by belief, they believe I am Eliane or I am Tony or I am John or Mary or whatever. He saw them separate. He saw them absolutely separate. And this knowledge that arose within him, Eliane, is incomparable. There is no parallel and no comparison. Not only to that knowledge and vision, but how he has gone about sharing this with anyone and those whom he met, you see, everyone he met, you see.
Bom, basicamente, o Shuddha diz que o Ambalal Patel ele recebeu essa transformação, essa purificação do ego dele em junho de 1958. Ele estava sentado numa estação de trem, esperando o trem para ir para casa em Surat. Então, depois dessa purificação, desse quebra de ego dele totalmente limpo, ele teve a visão do universo de uma tal maneira que esse eu foi embora e ele simplesmente não chegou a 360, visão de 360 graus, simplesmente 4 graus, porque ele viu que ele queria contribuir para a salvação do mundo. Por isso que ele abriu os olhos e daí começou ele a ajudar o mundo inteiro, e ele via os seres humanos com seres humanos, a parte corporal, a forma deles, mas ele pôde ver também a alma pura em todos esses seres vivos do mundo, e viu de uma maneira separada. E a essência, o Shuddha falou mais que isso, mas esse eu acho que é o sumo do que o Shuddha disse.
Yes, and you know that what happened in addition to this Vishwa Darshan, or what do you call universal vision, Vishwa Darshan.
Essa é a palavra Darshan, Darshan, que é a visão universal.
Universal, universal vision of the universe. There was in the world as he saw it on the very busy railway station in Surat.
Ele viu o mundo de uma maneira tal nessa estação de trem que era muito intensa, né, na Índia.
Sim.
Ele teve essa visão única.
Yeah, that the vision, in that vision there was, he later described it even after, there was bliss raised to the power of bliss, infinite bliss only. It was.
Essa visão foi um nível de bem-aventurança infinita.
Yeah, that infinite bliss, that was everywhere, you see.
Em todo lugar.
For 4 years, he didn't say much, you see.
Ele não falou nada, ele manteve por 4 anos, não revelou isto que aconteceu com ele.
He was disconnected from his body, mind, and speech, but his own grandnephew, his own distant relative grandnephew, he was the Nimit. He says, Dada, he told us, he tells Dada, he says, he used to call him Dada. Dada in our language is grandfather, grandpa.
Dada nessa linguagem hindu é o avô, Dada, avô.
So, this Chandrakant Patel, a businessman in Baroda, he says, Dada, just sitting next to you, just being around you, I'm filled with so much bliss. I know something has happened. Please tell me. So,
E esse teve neto dele distante, que era chamado Chandrakant Patel, que estava sentado ao lado de Dada, disse, Dada, algo passou com você, eu gostaria de saber o que passou com você. Me
Yeah.
diga.
Reading, Eliane, there is a new volume. There's a volume called Gnani Purush, volume number 6. It describes it, the whole volume of Gnani Purush 6 part. It's of about 400 pages devoted to Dada's own words of what happened to him in 1958 during his explosive awakening inside. You see, he had not
Foi
met a
escrito,
spiritual here.
há um livro que foi escrito, Gnani Purush, número 6, que tudo isso que Shuddha descreve, o que aconteceu com ele, essa explosão, está escrito nesse livro, Gnani Purush.
And he never had any gurus. He did not have any gurus like a spiritual masters in this life.
Yeah.
But he says that it is he had many spiritual masters in previous lives and many gnanis, but he wanted to. He was ever since he was a young man. He was always wanted. He says, I feel he came in this world even as a child, liberated, he was liberated. But he was checking, he knew something more has to happen. And
I needed to translate Shuddha. Dada também, Shuddha diz que Dada teve muitos mentores em vidas passadas. E outra última coisa que Shuddha disse, que Dada encarnou, né, nesse corpo, Dada, como criança, uma criança que já estava liberada, já estava liberta.
When you read his experiences, even before his explosive awakening in 1958, he was self-realized by all, general standards. He was self-realized, but the explosion that happened is much more. What happened is, he was searching for. He was always wondering, why do you have to leave your wife and children and run away from home or go away to, sacred places to get self-realization? That was number one. He says, why not in the home itself, right? Because everybody is so busy. That was his number one, need. But the other one was, I want the kind of self-realization. Why only women have the right to become these so-called self-realized masters? Why not a woman? As it is a woman too. A woman should also have the same kind of self-realization, and because the soul in both the man and the woman is the same. There are no differences between the soul of the man and the woman. And this too he wanted, so he waited. And when it happened in 1958, he got all the answers. He really got all the answers, not only all the answers, but in the 4 years that he waited, it came out through Chandrakant, the Nimit, which is, his grandson's Nimit, the new direct approach to the self, you see, just in 1 hour, you see.
Então, basicamente, Dada teve dois desejos grandes. Por que a pessoa precisa abandonar a casa, abandonar o trabalho, fazer jejum e meditar em montanha para resolver os problemas dele, que eles poderiam resolver em suas próprias residências, casas, etc. E o segundo desejo dele, que a autorrealização também deve ser dado ao sexo feminino, não somente aos homens. Então, por isso ele passou 4 anos, e nesse processo de 4 anos também ele fez o processo do perdão, né? O praticama. Ele trabalhou muito nisso. Então, basicamente, foi isso. Shirley, alguma coisa mais que eu perdi?
Eu acho que não,
Those
Tony.
those were the two wishes that Dada had in 58. You added more than just saying the number 1 and 2, right?
And this he came into this world because he came into this world wanted to have the answers about why do people have to run away and leave their family.
I mentioned
and the other one is why
women
is it that in the entire world of India and the subcontinent the women are not allowed to get the same kind of realization? Why is it not possible? You see?
I told that. Yes,
Yeah,
in
so this
India,
is it, and he got and he got these answers. He got both of his wishes fulfilled. You see,
ele recebeu durante essa cerimônia, durante esses anos, essas perguntas que Dada tinham ele recebeu a resposta, Eliane.
Yeah, all the religions of the world have got males. You see. All you take in Islam, Christianity, all the various Hindu religions, the Hindu books, the Hindi, scriptures, everything, male, 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 male. What happened? Yes, you see what's going on. You see,
Então,
so
ele está falando, o Shuddha, uma parte importante, que todas as religiões, Islã, as religiões de Índia, tudo homem, homem, homem. E Dada ficou nessa, com relação, por que não as mulheres têm o mesmo direito de ser autorrealizada?
Well, it changed. Now there are thousands of
Agora
women who are enlightened, you see.
Essas mulheres agora são
and who have become
milhares de mulheres que são autorrealizadas.
Yes, and yes, that's the only way, because if they are not in this direct path to the self, then they have to be in the old path, which is, you have to purify your ego through your speech, through your actions, and you have to continue to purify yourself by yourself only, by self-efforts. Impossible, you see, because there is no alignment in mind or speech or body, you see.
Porque não havia alinhamento entre mente, fala e corpo, então eles colocaram a mulher como se fosse algo que limitasse as mulheres de serem autorrealizadas.
So,
e descobrirem quem realmente são.
Right, so this, this is a capsule summary of this direct path of liberation, even as you are living your daily life, you see.
Então, esse é resumo do caminho direto à libertação que ele fez, Shuddha, nessa hora pouco.
Yeah, you as you inside the I, the real you gets liberated, and then now you're left with Eliane, but you are now the best friend of Eliane. You, the awakened one, will become the best friend of Eliane, you see.
Então, aquele desperto dentro de você, a Eliane desperta, vai ser o seu melhor amigo.
Yeah, somebody speak.
Yeah. I think she got involved with.
Okay, right. Yeah. All right. So, this, by even going back into the fundamental and the fundamentals of our Akram Vignan science, you see, we become more and more established in the exactness of our own nature, our own self, you see, our own being, you see.
Então, quando a gente presta atenção nesse fundamento, eu acho que quem está com controle pode colocar ela no mudo, gente.
I think Eliane, she has muted herself, you see.
Então, Shuddha, what you said is very important, Shuddha, that the fundamental.
We're going back to the fundamental and from the base, the fundamental base by which we have arrived here.
And ele está dizendo que nós fizemos uma revisão dos fundamentos de aonde podemos chegar hoje. Do que ele falou, Shuddha, desde o início até agora. Basicamente, in a nutshell, you told us how Akram Vignam arose, correct?
Yeah, you're right. How Akram Vignam arose, and by whose Purusharth, whose search of life after life after life.
Vida após vida do Purusharth, esforço espiritual dado
you can search for the causes, and you can search for how you can, or how rare earth metals can do all kinds of amazing things in this world of technology, but you do not know how to even begin by knowing who am I in all of this, you see.
Ele faz uma analogia de ver esses metais raros, procurar o que os metais raros vão fazer para a humanidade, para o progresso da tecnologia, e inversamente a pessoa não tem noção do que ele pode encontrar dentro dele para melhorar em sua vida diária.
And, through all of that technology and everything, when the greed comes in, this knowledge is supposed to be for the world, but when you become the owner of that, then the greed comes in, and all your billions and billions may be there, but there is no freedom inside. There is pain inside, and pain of kashais, anger, pride, deceit, greed.
Aí, em essência, ele falou que essa tecnologia com esses raros minerais vão trazer o cachás da ganância. O que acontece? Aquele que é o dono de uma fábrica, de uma companhia desses minerais raros, faz o lucro, daí vem os cachás, aí vem o sofrimento, vem a doença, etc, etc.
Yeah. So this is a major celebration, Eliane, for all the women all over the world, you see. And
essa é uma celebração para todas as mulheres
very amazing, major, you see,
do mundo inteiro.
That you have access not only to the experience of liberation, but also to go beyond the differentiation between sexes, you see, and all the sufferings that have caused has been generated because of your sexuality and sex identification, you see, whether it's a male or a woman, it's a female.
Em sumário, ele falou que você chegou ao ponto, né, de ver como o seu ser é liberado, e ele também fez comentários sobre o que acontece na parte dos cachás, inclusive a sexualidade, que nos levam um caminho não tão gratificante.
And the hallmark of self-realization for each one of us, whether from the day we opened our eyes in the Gnanvidhi processes, that the next day we started seeing where I am wrong in my worldly interactions. Where am I wrong, you see?
E outro fator que você ganha nessa cerimônia do Gnanvidhi, aonde você está errado nas suas interações com o mundo.
You see, he did not complete it.
Quando você abre os olhos, quando você sai da cerimônia, você passa a ter uma visão totalmente diferente.
Time and the era it has a lot of influence in human behavior and thinking and feelings. You see, compared to the time when you and I were young, Eliane, and now you can see there is much, 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 much more violence in this world. You see, and people have shut up. They have just completely withdrawn within themselves, all afraid, not able to really kind of enjoy their life in any meaningful way, you see.
Ele está falando da diferença das eras, na era passada e na era presente, onde há muita violência e as pessoas não são capazes de realmente ter um tempo livre para saber quem eles realmente são e ter um pouco de vida de qualidade dentro deles.
Yes, so this is why our dearest Gnani Purush Dadashri and his Akram Vignan science of liberation becomes paramount, you see, because the fundamental reason why human beings suffer is because they believe I am Eliane, I am John, I am Mary, this is happening to me. This this is like occupying territory that is not yours, you see. You know, it's like taking over land that is not yours. You will never be free, see.
Então, aí tem, ele fala que o ponto crucial, né, que é o touch point, o ponto de toque, é quando você quando você reconhece que você não é Eliane, que isto não é meu, que há outra entidade aí. Então, a mudança acontece depois dessa realização.
I am
Eu sou Eliane,
Aliena is a fundamental wrong belief from which the entire universe of suffering arises, you see.
Aí o sofrimento desse universo é realmente a pedra
You
inicial. Esse é o erro maior. Eu sou Eliane, eu sou Antônio.
And the second part of it will come after you awaken. And it cannot, right now, that part is who, yes, as I say, I become self-realized, okay? Say, I know who am I. You know, I know. Who is gonna run the world of Eliane? You know, does life change for Eliane? You know, well, what is the change, you see? You know, people are looking for an external change. You know, you want to look like a saint, or, you know, no, Eliana will still swear and become angry and will become deceitful and, you know, may even be greedy. You know, all of those reactions will continue. They don't change. You see?
Então, basicamente, o Shura está comentando desses acontecimentos que persistem quando você não tem ideia de quem realmente você é, entende? Você não sabe, não tem acesso de onde vem o sofrimento, de onde vem o prazer, e isso é moto contínuo dentro de você.
What changes, Eliane, is how you see it. You know, now you're seeing it from your home, you see, from your home, you know, the steadiness of your being, your real self, you see, and with your enlightened vision of this in front of me is Eliane. She's a little confused here, but immediately the answers come from your light inside. There is no external anyone. You have reached the final I. No more search. No more search, no more seeking.
E depois, quando você encontra essa luz interna de quem realmente você é, as coisas mudam tremendamente e a sua busca, a sua pesquisa para saber o que você veio fazer aqui foi totalmente descoberto. Não há necessidade de mais pesquisa.
You're trained as a psychotherapist, or, you know, in psychiatry, either one of those, but you see, your vision, your understanding and your vision will be enhanced in so many ways when you yourself are not there to modify your vision through your understanding and your training, you see. You know, you'll be able to see it without the modifications of Eliane into all of this, you see.
Você vai ter uma visão diferente, você vai atuar sobre diferentes modificações. I need to make a comment, Shura, that she is doing tremendous seva at the moment. I think she is in the unit in the intensive care in the hospital with her brother, who has pancreatic cancer, and she is sitting by him, and she's giving herself total for his recovery from this cancer, and he has been making tremendous progress, you know. So I just have to say that she, you know, that I just met for the first time less than 2 weeks ago. I visited her in Rio, so and I think that this is why she is in satsang today, because
wonderful. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, wonderful. You see, I thank you for giving me the rest of the background. You see,
Yes.
the scene. Your service is, your service in that sense, and your presence makes a lot of difference for the person that you are with, you see. Yeah,
Eu
and
falei para o Shuda que ela está agora nesse momento no Rio, ela mora na Alemanha, mas ela está assistindo o irmão que está passando por um processo de ele teve diagnóstico de câncer do pâncreas e ela está totalmente dedicada a ele. Continua a trabalhar como fazendo a terapia dela através do Zoom, mas totalmente dedicada ao irmão. Esse é um grande seva.
yes, you see this, the soon you will access, whenever you can, you will access so many countless other ways of really healing and helping, because the highest healing is the knowledge of the self, you see. Knowledge of the self delivers human beings from all suffering. Not only yourself, but also your awareness shifts to the one who is beyond all pain and suffering, you see. The karma complex, the body of your friend or relative is going through
Her brother.
your brother, you love him so much. His karma complex is going through this thing. This is how it was programmed for him in this life, you see. And he's letting it, he's paying his check, he's writing his check. All of us writes all kinds of we repay our dues from past life. Some get accidents, some get brain tumors, some get this, some get that.
Yeah.
You see, so this is the reality of life. But your awareness that the real one in him is beyond all suffering, and if you can focus on his Amapura, and then just kind of, even though you are not awakened yourself, let this be that there is the sufferer, and then there is the knower. The knower in him is absolutely beyond pain. You see, that kind of understanding will help you a lot, you see.
Yes, I did touch her with that a bit.
Yes.
Separation should. I just would translate what you said. And what should have said is that a maior cura é a cura do ser real. E essa pessoa, a sua consciência muda, certo? E nessa situação, Eliane, você está diante do complexo de karma do seu irmão, do Luiz Carlos, e a parte real dele é o que sabe, e a parte que está com câncer, com dor, com as coisas que estão causando dissatisfação a ele, é a parte do corpo. Você entende isso, não? Está separado, que está separado do real dele, que é a alma pura dele.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about the separation. You just have to know that there is an eternal one within him. You see?
Você deve saber que há um eterno, há um ser eterno dentro dele.
And that eternal one is not anybody above him and up in the skies. That one is the eternal one. The same one is within you, and that is beyond pain or suffering.
E esse eterno dentro dele não é um que está no céu, que está sobre algum Deus. Não, esse eterno dentro dele é além de qualquer dor.
Yeah, because it's impossible for you to separate. But if you now know that every human being, as long as the eternal one is present, he breathes, and when the eternal one is absent, they bury that person. You see.
Então esse corpo, esse eterno one, quando esse corpo padece, então esse eterno está separado do corpo. O corpo vai embora.
Yeah,
mas o eterno continua.
Esse forever. Eternal gets another one body.
O eterno vai para o outro corpo.
During these moments, as you are very well aware, it's very important to just kind of keep the unnecessary external disturbances at a minimal, and so that and the doctors know what to do with the body part,
Yes, yeah, yes, yeah. She's doing that, Shuddha.
Yeah, right. Okay, wonderful. Shuddhatma Bhagwan, we really give our all energies for all the Mahatmas are giving all your energies so that it helps your brother.
Yeah.
There are a number of Mahatmas here who have had their brothers in similar situations or family members.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
there is Carla there, you can speak to her. There are so many, number of them who have gone through such experiences.
Yeah.
And so it is good to be in this group, it's just
Yeah.
kind of whenever they don't have to be with me or, in satsang like this, but they just among yourself when you're there, talk about pain, talk about suffering, you see, and the nature of suffering, you see.
Então, Oriane, aqui você está recebendo a energia desses Mahatmas e Mahatmas que realmente estiveram, passam por experiência que você está passando com seu irmão. Tem vários Mahatmas aqui e é bom ter esse contato e você falar, discutir sobre dor. Mas essa energia que é dirigida a você, a sua família, ao seu irmão nessa hora difícil, que você se abra a essa energia, porque a intenção é essa, certo?
Yes, all right.
Sim.
Okay.
All right, because we are coming to the time. Is there anything else that anyone wants to say?
Alguém gostaria de fazer algum comentário, dividir falar algum comentário, gente? Agradeço a presença de todos aí na satsang. I'm thanking them for the time, Shuddha, that this satsang was, to me, was of tremendous enlightenment, and because I'm connected, I did not see this person, but I was at the house where the mother was, she was, and her sister, and he was in the hospital, but he's making progress.
Yes. Yes, somebody saying.
Eu posso falar uma coisa, Antônio? Uma coisa interessante hoje.
She wants to say something interesting.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Mais um pequeno milagre. Há 2 dias que o Luiz Carlos está sentindo fome. E hoje ele comeu gelatina, tomou picolé.
Yes. Tomou gelatina, comeu picolé.
E a gente, eu estou rezando aqui para ele não ter que fazer a gastrotomia. Provavelmente não vai precisar.
Yeah, he's in a situation where he had two duodenal stents because of the obstruction of the tumor, at the level of the duodenal, but they were doing a gastroscopy, but no, that was not in the past 2 days. She said a miracle happened because he was able to swallow some gelatin today and a little ice cream. Anyway, so that's a miracle.
Yeah, this, yes, ma'am. All the energies inside him are coming, are the energies of the self only. So, when you direct your energies to his Amapura and say, oh, Amapura within my brother, let him be at peace, give him the energies to go through this severe time, be with him. Yeah, so that is the most important thing.
Muito importante você dirigir a seu irmão a alma pura dele.
Sim.
I think she understands.
Right. And also your colleagues here and friends will share with you this very simple words called Dada Bhagwan na Asim Jai Jaikar Ho.
Essas palavras que o Shuddha acabou de falar, Dada Bhagwan, Asim Jai Jaikar, a consciência do eterno é bem-aventurança.
Yeah, slowly you don't need to have the Gnanvidhi for it, you can just also just say Dada Bhagwan na Asim Jai Jaikar Ho. Just slowly repeat that. Yes.
Yeah, my sister is very connected. She probably is in satsang tonight. Sonia Lacerda, she can pass that
that on. You can put also, when At other times, just play this tape recording, very low volume by her bedside, just very low volume, you see.
Yes. Você pode
Yeah.
ouvir isso, essas palavras são milagrosas,
Tá.
Eliane, ok?
Tá, eu vou fazer.
Yeah,
All right, yes.
Muito obrigada. Thank you
Alright.
so much.
Yeah, you know, if possible, put a photograph of Dada in the room, you see,
uma fotografia do Dada na sala.
okay, in
Tá.
his room, okay?
Yeah, I will.
Tá.
Okay, Shuddhatma Bhagwan, pure soul God. So, thank you all for, yeah.
Just a minute, Shuda. Eu só queria avisar que o Shuda, ele compartilhou no chat ali as Dadavanes de julho e de junho de 2026. Tá em inglês ainda, né? Quem quiser fazer o download.
Yes, so two of them are beautiful. One on speech and the other one is on further progress. It's amazing, you see.
Yes.
Okay, I have shared with some of you, but please do share. And, you know, Dada's grace continues to unfold for all of us. Shuddhatma Bhagwan, highest namaskars to each one of you here.
Saudações elevadas a todos os Mahatmas aqui presentes esta noite.
It is this inner vision which makes all the difference, you see. And so we see each other as the blissful ones, you see.
Vemos essa visão muito especial, a gente vê todos como a visão do bem-aventurado em todos vocês.
Boa noite, have a wonderful night, huh?
Boa noite, que tenha uma
boa noite.
Good night. Thank you so much. Tchau, gente. Obrigada, Antônio.
Thank you, Shirley, Hendrik, Shirley, and everyone. Marcel, so good, Marcel, everyone.
Jai Sachidanam Shuddha.
Jai Sachidanam.
Shuddha.
Jai Sachidanam, Carla, and Evanice, Muniz, and, you know, some new names, and of course the others I know, Margarita and everyone. Thank you, Tony and Shirley. Thank you very much.
Obrigada,
gente.
Beijo, Maria.
Obrigada, tchau.
Beijo, Sônia. Beijo, gente.
Tchau.